Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Gemini AI in Android. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Google app. And if you aren't signed into your account, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, be sure to be logged into your account. And once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the settings option. And once you're inside your settings option, here you will be seeing an option that says Google Assistant. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, all you got to do now is scroll down and then find Digital Assistant from Google. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you will be provided with the option to choose your digital assistant from Google. Now all you got to do is tap on Gemini, and once you tap on Gemini, here what you need to do is set up your Gemini to use it. Now tap on Hey Google and voice match. Follow the process and steps to complete the use of the Gemini, and once you are done with that, go back to your home screen and then say Hey Google, and you'll be seeing hi, something like this: Hi, I'm Gemini, a new experienced AI assistant. And now what you need to do is head over and tap on the button on the bottom right corner of the screen that says Get Started, and once you tap on that, here you'll be provided with bunch of options. And now all you gotta do is scroll down, and on the bottom right corner of the screen you'll have a button that says I agree, and once you tap on that, you'll be seeing this Gemini AI interface, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.